When people think about investments, they usually picture stocks, real estate, or perhaps even gold. But there's one powerful financial tool that is often overlooked: life insurance. It's commonly seen only as a safety net for families after death. But the truth is, life insurance is one of the best long-term investments in the world. It offers security, peace of mind, and a guaranteed payout, something no stock or mutual fund can assure. In addition, depending on the type, some policies also offer cash value, tax advantages, and protection against inflation. Life insurance is not just about death. It's about creating financial certainty during uncertain times. So in this video, we will discuss the best investment in the world. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. What is life insurance and why do you need it? At its core, life insurance is a financial contract between an individual and an insurance company. In exchange for regular premium payments, the insurer promises to provide a lump sum payment, known as the death benefit, to the policyholder's beneficiaries upon their death. But life insurance is more than just a payout after death. It serves as a tool for income replacement, debt coverage, legacy building, and even retirement planning in some cases. Its purpose is to ensure that your loved ones are financially stable even if you're no longer around to support them. The emotional burden of losing someone is hard enough. Life insurance ensures it doesn't come with financial hardship. The different types of life insurance policies. To truly appreciate life insurance as an investment, one must first understand the various types of life insurance available in the market. Each serves a different purpose, fits different financial goals, and has its pros and cons. The two broad categories are term life insurance and permanent life insurance, which includes whole life, universal life, and variable life insurance. 1. Term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, commonly 10, 20, or 30 years. If the insured dies within the term, the beneficiaries receive the death benefit. If a term ends and the insured is still alive, the policy expires with no payout. The appeal of term life is its low cost and high coverage, making it ideal for people who want maximum protection during their income-earning years. 2. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance offers coverage for the insured's entire life as long as premiums are paid. It also accumulates cash value over time, which the policyholder can borrow against or withdraw. While it's more expensive than term life, it combines insurance and savings in one product. 3. Universal life insurance. Universal life is a flexible form of permanent insurance that also builds cash value. The policyholder can adjust premiums and death benefits over time. It's often marketed as an investment vehicle but requires careful management due to the fees and complexity involved. 4. Variable life insurance. Variable life allows policyholders to invest the cash value portion in various sub-accounts, similar to mutual funds. This gives the policy potential for higher returns, but also greater risk. Unlike term policies, the cash value and death benefit can fluctuate with market performance. Why term life insurance is the best investment? Among all these options, term life insurance stands out as the best investment, not in terms of cash returns, but in terms of value, security, and peace of mind. Let's break down why term life is such a powerful financial tool. Affordability. Term life insurance is significantly cheaper than permanent policies. For example, a healthy 30-year-old male might pay around $25 to $30 per month for a 20-year term with a $500,000 death benefit. That same benefit under a whole life policy might cost over $300 per month. This makes term life insurance accessible to almost everyone: young professionals, parents, homeowners, and even single-income families. High coverage for low cost. Because term life offers a high payout for a low premium, it provides excellent cost-to-benefit value. If a policyholder passes away during the term, the beneficiaries receive hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, often tax-free. This financial windfall can cover funeral expenses, pay off a mortgage, support children's education, and replace lost income for years. Focus protection during critical years. Most people only need life insurance for a specific period, when they're raising kids, paying a mortgage, or supporting a spouse. Term life perfectly aligns with this need. You can choose a policy term that matches your life goals. Once your children are independent and your debts are paid off, the need for coverage naturally declines, making permanent insurance unnecessary for many people. Simplicity and transparency. Term life insurance is easy to understand. You pay a fixed monthly or yearly premium, and if you die during the term, your beneficiaries receive the agreed-upon amount. There are no hidden fees, market risks, or complicated cash value calculations. In a world of confusing financial products, term insurance offers clarity and dependability. The true purpose of life insurance. more than just money. Life insurance is often misunderstood as a product that benefits only after death. In reality, it is an expression of responsibility and love. It ensures that your children can still go to college, your spouse doesn't lose the house, and your family can continue the life you helped build. The purpose of life insurance is not just to create wealth. It's to preserve stability and dignity for the people you care about most. It allows you to protect the life you've built even when you're no longer here to live it. Term insurance versus other investments, a financial comparison. Some might argue that life insurance is not technically an investment because it doesn't generate returns. But let's look at it from another angle. If you invest $30 a month for 20 years in term life insurance and pass away during that time, your family receives $500,000. That's a return of over 800x your input. No stock or mutual fund can guarantee such a payout. Moreover, other investment vehicles don't offer the same emotional return. Stocks may rise and fall. Real estate may appreciate or depreciate. But life insurance pays out at your most vulnerable moment, when your loved ones need it most. That makes it one of the most impactful investments you can make. Building a financial foundation with term life. For those just starting their financial journey, term life insurance provides a foundational layer of protection. It allows individuals to take financial risks, like starting a business or investing in the market, knowing their loved ones are protected if something goes wrong. It also ensures that debts won't be passed on to surviving family members. This security allows you to focus on growing wealth without the constant fear of what if. As your wealth increases, your need for insurance may decrease, but at the beginning, it's indispensable. Term life for young families and parents. For young couples and parents, term life insurance is one of the most important decisions they can make. It ensures that children are cared for, mortgages are paid off, and spouses have time to recover financially. Many parents assume they're too young to worry about life insurance, but that's precisely why they need it. Young, healthy adults get the lowest rates, allowing them to lock in high coverage for very low money. Imagine paying $25 a month to guarantee your child's education, your spouse's peace of mind, and your family's financial stability. That's the true power of this investment. Term life for single individuals. Even if you're single, term life can be a smart move. If you have student loans, family members depending on you, or you simply want to leave a legacy, term insurance still makes sense. Additionally, locking in coverage while you're young and healthy ensures you won't pay more later when your health might change. Life insurance is not about age, it's about foresight. Using term life insurance is part of a bigger financial plan. While term life doesn't offer cash value like whole or universal life insurance, it plays an essential role in comprehensive financial planning. By keeping your life insurance costs low, you free up money to invest elsewhere, like in stocks, retirement accounts, or real estate. Financial advisors often recommend buy term and invest the rest, a strategy that allows you to build wealth while still protecting your family. This makes term life not just a smart insurance decision, but an integral part of a long-term investment strategy. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.